and Quebec City. They're a perfect blend of historic European charm and modern high-tech energy. I spent a week exploring the historic streets and the timeless beauty of Old Quebec and witnessing the entire city skyline from Montreal. I almost ruined the entire trip on day 2. We trusted maps to get us to the top of Montreal, but that single click on the bus, it led us from a simple city street to an hour-long, full-blown hiking trail. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly where we went wrong so that you don't make the same rookie mistake. Plus, the perfect 7-day itinerary for these two amazing cities. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Pixelated Traveller, and this is my complete guide to one of Canada's most beautiful regions. Let's get into the vlog and hit the cobblestones. The Quebec adventure starts now. Hi everyone, so this is the day we entered Montreal and this is one of the metro stations and the trains were really clean and very high-tech. I was really impressed by these trains. And this is the same day in the evening and we visited this place Jacques Cartier. So this is a popular tourist destination and it has a number of restaurants and a lot of shops you can shop from. And this is also the entrance to the old Port of Montreal. So this is the Montreal Clock Tower. This is located near the old Port of Montreal and this is the amazing night view. You can see all the boats parked and it's just really nice to take in the atmosphere and just stroll around. In the background you can see the spherical building. It's called the Montreal Biosphere. It's a museum dedicated to the environment in Montreal. And here you can see people just lazing around and enjoying the view. And in the background there's the Ferris wheel. You can see the name on the screen here. So on day 2 we went to the Notre Basilica. It's a very beautiful basilica and there were a lot of visitors as well. People especially came to see the stained glass windows and the different kinds of paintings which were there on the side. They were really intriguing and very beautiful. So this is the mistake I was talking about. So maps actually told us to get off the bus and then start walking. So it turned into a 1-hour hike, but actually that bus would take you directly to Montreal. So this is the beautiful view from Montreal after reaching. So if you want to reach there, just go by bus and then it will take you to your destination. So this is day 3 when we travel from Montreal to Quebec City and this is the place where the bus dropped us. So on this day we just decided to rest and just chill at the hotel. So this is day 4, we are going towards the Old Quebec City and here is the Via Rail station you can see in the background. Look at the architecture of these buildings, it's just so beautiful. It just has a timeless European charm to it. And this is the famous Old Quebec City. Doesn't it give out a very different vibe to it? We also saw different horse carriages here as well. That was so intriguing. And we went here during fall, so you can see these pumpkin decorations. Isn't that just so beautiful? People are just strolling around, cycling and just meeting with their friends and just having a gala time. And there are a lot of different restaurants you can try as well. And the vibe is totally different, so you can just enjoy and just be present. Here you can witness the famous cobblestone streets of Quebec. It's just so pretty and you can take a lot of pretty photos here. You can get ice cream. So this is the Dufferin Terrace, which is overlooking the St. Lawrence River, and there's also a funicular railway which will take you to the lower town. And there are a lot of artists and singers who are doing their job, and you can just sit and enjoy the overall atmosphere and the environment. So this is Lower Town, and it's apparently the birthplace of the French civilization in North America, and it has a lot of European style houses. It's also a very popular tourist and shopping destination in Old Quebec. You can shop for various souvenirs like fridge magnets and t-shirts. You can also try at various restaurants here. On day 5, we visited the Montmorency Falls. This is a large waterfall on the Montmorency River in Quebec. It's also taller than the Niagara Falls, and it's a spectacular sight in summer and also in winter. You can see this is a viewpoint for tourists. This is a bridge which will take you to the other side, and from there you can get down and go to the bottom of the falls. There's a cable car that you can take to get to the bottom of the falls. It's a paid service. The view from the top is magnificent, and if you don't want to take the cable car, you can also take the stairs like we did. And as you go down the stairs, there's more and more mist that you can feel on your face. It's just so refreshing and such a beautiful feeling. So this is after we reached the bottom of the falls, and even though it looks sunny here, but we were very cold after reaching the bottom because we were drenched by all the mist that was coming on our face, and it was really a unique experience. So this was the last day of our trip, and we had not planned anything on this day. So we just made an impromptu plan to go to Levis, Quebec. So it's basically a city on the opposite side of Quebec City, and it's on the other side of the Lawrence River. So we just took a ferry and we started going towards that city. So this is after we arrived from the cruise, and so this is the cruise terminal, and also there's a bus terminal if you want to take any local buses to just visit around. So we just boarded a bus, and then it took us to this terrace park which is mentioned on the screen, and it's a very scenic park where you can just view the entire skyline of Levis. And this was the golden hour. Just wait for the view. Look at those amazing fall colors. Isn't this just wonderful? So we were back at the bus terminal to take the ferry back to Quebec City. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, and if you have any kind of feedback, comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and please subscribe to my channel for more such travel videos. And I have also another video on Niagara Falls. Please make sure to watch that as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.